Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create JINX from Arcane in Dress to Impress. Again, I'll remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. So hopefully I remember everything. Oh my god. I'm trying to not delete it, so I might keep the last one just because. Alright, so for the hair, I use this long braid in this color 6890A5. I didn't do any adjustments to it. For the bangs, I used this hair in only bangs with the same color, I think. Yeah. In these adjustments, X.56, Y.56, Z.46, rotate it at X.61, Z.91, and scale it to 0.38. For this hair, I don't think I did any adjustments, and I did only bangs for the toggle and colored it the same. Then I used these band-aids here. This one in the toggles right cross and left in this color E7D5CF. Then I did this belt, which is a currency item, in the second toggle in this color 2A201A, and I did make some adjustments to that. 0.48 for the X, Y.61, 0.48 for Z, rotated at X.55, Z.24, and scaled it down to 0.29. This is the belt from VIP. I colored it all the same except for the last one. I did 3E3524, no adjustments obviously, and then I use this necklace 3F 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 and these adjustments X.44, Z.47, rotate the Z at 0.34. Then for the necklace, I also added this on in the same color like so. Okay, now time for the outfit. Let me see if I remember everything. I used this in the dirty toggle and I colored it this dark color as well. That's more like a brown. I think I did this color here and then I added some gray to that. And then I used this shirt in this pattern. Let me see if I can find it. It's in this pattern, so it looks like there is the band-aid on it. I tried all right. And then I used these sleeves here in the same color, grayish black. Okay, and then I use these sleeves in this pattern. I did save that in metallic. And then for the pants, did the same thing. This one in this pattern in metallic. Okay, don't mind the button. We're gonna cover that up later. Then we're going to use this in this blue color in metallic, and then toggle it to no. Actually, yeah, let's toggle to no feet. And then get these socks in high strap socks. Turn off the feet and color it the color of your skin color. Then I'm just going to use these boots right here. And I'm going to use this brown. You know what? I'm going to use this one here. And then I'm going to make it darker. And then I'll do that again. And then I'll make that darker. I'm going to also add a silk material to it. And then for the last one, you're going to just use this one in silk. I'm just going to make it a little bit more on the magenta side here. Okay, now we go to VIP. If you want to stop here, you can. And yeah, that belt is from VIP anyways. We are going to use this set here. So the first one is this one. I'm just going to make it a little bit darker here. And then this one, I'm going to color the first one blue, I think, in a metallic color. And then the rest the same as what we have for our top. Lastly, we're going to get the prop, which is the gun. What's wrong with me? Okay, get this, and then you can use default or an air, whichever one you want. And that is how you can create JINX from Arcane. It is not super accurate, but I tried. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.